Hi, welcome to our video on bathroom maintenance tips. Bathrooms are often the most used spaces in our homes, so it's important to keep them clean and well maintained. In this video, we'll go over some easy tips and tricks to keep your bathroom looking and functioning at its best. Tip #1. Keep your drains clear. A clogged drain can cause water to back up, leading to unpleasant smells and potential damage to your bathroom fixtures. Use a drain catcher to trap hair and other debris and periodically flush your drains with hot water and vinegar to clear out any buildup. Tip #2. Clean your toilet regularly. Nobody likes cleaning the toilet, but it's important for keeping your bathroom sanitary. Use a good quality toilet cleaner and a toilet brush to scrub the bowl and under the rim. Don't forget to wipe down the outside of the toilet and the floor around it as well. Tip #3. Maintain your shower head. Hard water and mineral buildup can clog your shower head, reducing water pressure and making your showers less enjoyable. To prevent this, remove the shower head and soak it in vinegar overnight. Then rinse it off and reattach. You can also use a toothbrush to scrub away any stubborn buildup. Tip #4. Fix leaks promptly. Leaky faucets can waste a surprising amount of water over time, driving up your utility bills and potentially causing damage to your bathroom fixtures. If you notice a leak, don't delay in fixing it. Most leaks can be fixed with a simple replacement of the faucet washer or O-ring. Tip #5. Keep your bathroom counter clear. Cluttered counters can make your bathroom feel cramped and uninviting. Keep only the essentials on your counter, like soap, toothbrushes, and hand towels, and store everything else out of sight in drawers or cabinets. That's it for our bathroom maintenance tips. Remember, a little bit of regular cleaning and upkeep can go a long way in keeping your bathroom looking and functioning at its best. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.